Hello students, I welcome you all on Earpedia Education. So today again I am going to give you the weekly recap. So what we have covered last week regarding I will say job updates, admission updates and other updates I am going to give you through this video. So if you like this video, so please like it and share it more and subscribe our channel Earpedia Education. So first vacancy is CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory. So CSIR की लैब है नेशनल मेटलर्जिकल लेबोरेटरी. लास्ट डेट टू अप्लाई इज 28 जून. ब्रांचेस आई विल से पोस्ट आर फॉर scientist, senior scientist, principal scientist, MTech and PhD in any field, mainly material science field are eligible and experience required is 2 to 3 years experience in the relevant area. So this is the link to apply, so you can check your eligibility there and experience is required here. Okay, so next one is Institute for Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine. Last date to apply is 30th June. So two types of post, scientist D and other one is also scientist D. So this is mainly related to grants management and mainly related to scientist D. Another post, masters in life sciences is required or medicine, and PhD is required. 5 years experience, minimum 5 years experience is required. So this is the link. Accordingly one can check his or her eligibility. Next one is BIS, so that is Bureau of Indian Standards. I have already made a detailed video on this and last date to apply is 25th June. So anyone, so good salary, I will say good salary job is this, 87,000 approx, and scientist B post are advertised. So BTech in civil instrumentation, environment science, textile engineering and fiber science, chemistry. So valid gate score होना चाहिए 2019, 2020, 2021 and personal interview is also there. So if you are having good gate score and then there will be personal interview, so then you will get selected for these posts. So as it is, no experience is required for these posts and this is the link. So accordingly on going to this link, you can by going to this link you can apply for these posts. Okay, so if anyone is BTech in these I will say branches, so they can, and having a valid gate score up to last date, and then there will be personal interview. Okay, next one is UPRVNL, that is Uttar Pradesh. Post in Uttar Pradesh have come out for JE, so that is junior engineer post. So there are 196 posts and last date to apply is 2nd July. So junior engineer posts are advertised in electrical, mechanical, electronics and computer. So diploma in these relevant trades are required. Okay, so diploma to be completed by last date to apply. तो 2 जुलाई तक अगर आप डिप्लोमा इसमें कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ द लिंक वेयर यू कैन सी दिस एडवर्टाइजमेंट एंड कैन अप्लाई ऑनलाइन. Next one is IIT Indore. So 20 June is last date. So JRF vacancy is there. BTech for BTech, MSc, MTech in relevant area. You can check that. GATE and JAM exam is preferred but not compulsory. So it is desirable but not compulsory. This is the link. You can check at IIT Indore website. Next one is IIT Kanpur. See, in IIT Kanpur there are many posts that has been advertised for project engineering, I will say. Then related to research there are many posts advertised, so you can check your eligibility by going on to this link and you will find for every I will say engineering branch there are vacancies available. So please visit IIT Kanpur website and by going on these links on IIT Kanpur you can apply for these posts. So last date to apply 21st June. So similarly this is project engineering, project engineer, 3 years of relevant experience is required. If anyone has done MTech in civil or agriculture or BTech in civil or agriculture, so he or she is eligible. And next one is again IIT Kanpur 25th June, project post doctoral fellow. So PhD, if anyone have done PhD in chemical engineering, computational physics, chemistry, physical chemistry, so he or she is eligible. And by going on to this link you can check your detailed eligibility. Next also IIT Kanpur, last date is 15th June, project engineer post is there. BTech in aeronautical engineering is required. 3 years experience is also required. So you can visit this link and can apply and can check your detailed eligibility. Okay, next one also IIT Kanpur, last date 30th June for REO post. Okay, so that is research establishment officer. So grade 1, MTech, MS, BTech, PhD is required for these posts and principal REO is also there. So I will say experience is different according to different posts. So this is the link. You can visit this link and can apply. online, or can see this advertisement also. Next one is Cement Corporation of India Limited, CCI. So that is a PSU. On it I have already made a detailed video. Last day to apply is, that is 30th June. So BTech, if anyone have done BTech in production, civil, mechanical, mining, instrumentation, material management, and with having 2 to 3 years experience, so by going on to this link you can apply for these posts. Okay, so and last one is I will say that is one is admission update, that is College of Engineering Pune. So last day to apply is 26th June. So 1 year full-time PG diploma course is available, so you can check there. Okay, so PG diploma course they have started. So according to various branches of engineering, you can apply there. Okay, and the fees is that is from 1.5 lakh to 3.5 lakh for this 1 year course. Okay, so, again you can check your eligibility by going on to this link. So by going on to this link you can check your detailed eligibility, and the last day to apply in admissions for College of Engineering Pune, so that is 26th June. This is a reputed institute. So students, if you like this video, please share it more and subscribe our channel, Yourpedia Education. Thank you.